So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fast forward the video in CapCut. So now I have a clip which is normal speed and I just want to fast forward the video. So what I want to do is just basically click on the video which I would like to speed up, go to speed, and I can either change the speed by using the speed scale. So if I choose 5, it's gonna be 5 times as fast, or I can also change the duration. So if I choose a smaller duration, it's obviously gonna be faster, as you can see on the size of the clip, because the duration is gonna be smaller. So you can either change it with the speed or with the duration. Another thing you can use is you have these curves where CapCut uses these presets where when the curve is higher up it's gonna be faster and then it's gonna be slower. It's faster and slower, as you can see, and we have all these presets, and you can also change them individually. So for example, if I want it to be much faster in the beginning, I'm gonna put the curve higher, or I can also make it slower in the beginning, or I can add another point and I can just make the faster part longer. Alright, so all in all, this is how to fast forward the video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.